Hello everyone.
Welcome to RaHaz tutorial. Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What do you like to do?
I like to play football.
What do you see?
I see a bird.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Can I play with you?
Yes, you can play with me.
What is your name?
My name is Sam.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
Where is my bag?
It is on the chair.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Daniel.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Where is the cat?
The cat is under the table.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny today.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
How many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor. Like, share, subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment.
Thank you.